Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. Happy Friday, 5:02 in the morning. This is a whole lot better than getting up at 3:30 in the morning, everybody. So happy Friday. It's a long, long weekend. Gosh. Uh, let's talk about yesterday with silver and gold. Did that not I really wasn't shocked at silver and gold yesterday. Happy coffee, everybody. Gold jumped over 3,400. I think at one time 3,416 or $18 an ounce, and silver actually I saw go over $39 an ounce by a few pennies. So gold is on the upswing, everybody. Now it goes down and then it comes back and then it just kind of creeps, and then it, finally kind of goes over that hump. So, wow, man, is it going to go 39 by the end of Friday and stay there for the holiday weekend? Well, we're going to find out today. It did yesterday. It stayed there mostly all day yesterday. So, is it going to hit the 40 mark? We are in August. Well, let's just say September because what is tomorrow, the end of the month? Let's look here. Nope, Sunday, 31 days, guys. 31 days in a month, in this month. So going into September by the 1st, which is, Monday. So is it going to hit 40 by the end of September? Um, That's a toughie. But let's look at some gold and silver prices. Let's look at some of the metal prices this morning. And we're going to talk about, I have something that I want to talk about. I want to go talk to you about the value of the dollar today, this year, what the percentage of the dollar where it has declined this year in 2025 so far, how much it's declined, and how much silver, and we can always talk about gold too, but I concentrate on silver a little bit. How much silver has increased in value and how it's the hedge against that dollar, guys, and pound or whatever it may be, wherever you might be living. And by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel. We're at 3,247, guys, starting to gain that choo-choo stream. So let's check out some silver and gold. Right now, gold is still holding over $3,400 an ounce. Excuse me once again, everybody. 3406.40. It says it's down 970. That's because it's down from yesterday. And silver's at 38.80. At down 21 cents from yesterday. Actually, it just dropped to 38.77 as we speak, everybody. Platinum 1344 and palladium at 1,095. It's down $8 and platinum's down $16 this morning. And rhodium, guys, is down to 6,800. Golly, cat converters, jewelry plating, rhodium, all that stuff. It's down a couple $100 from yesterday, which is around 7,000. So let's run over here to our gold back exchange rate, guys. Gold backs follow the gold market, right? 24 karat gold. Okay. And they climbed up quite a bit when gold boosted. So did these gold backs. So they're 682. One of our viewers, you got to listen to them, whoever it may be. Well, I try not to say people's names, but anyway, bought gold backs several years ago. Okay. A one gold back right now is, I think, $7 roughly to buy a gold back. And he or she bought that gold back several years ago for like $3 and something, three and some change. So it's already doubled in value. Uh, but but now here's the trick: exchange rate value. Okay, it goes up with gold, so exchange rate get value. It's doubled in value. So um, it's getting bigger, guys. So hey, think about the gold backs. Think about the copper. Think about all your diversification in these precious metals. Let's go over to Wonder Boy, Bitcoin. Yesterday, what, 113,000 bucks for one Bitcoin, everybody. $113,000. Today, today you lost 4 grand almost. $109,841 and 20 cents. All right. Go buy that kilo of gold. Buy that kilo of gold, guys, because it didn't lose that fast. Uh, but that's a lot of money for golly, that's a lot of money for a fake currency. But for all you that have done Bitcoin, once again, I say kudos, because if you bought it in 2009, you're a quadrillionaire, and I'm not a quadrillionaire. So let's talk about something. Let's get on and let's move on here. I want to talk to you about the value, what the dollar has done this year. Okay, we're going to talk about what the dollar. Now, I don't have a dollar on me. All we have is a 10. So this is still currency, fiat, greenbacks, whatever you want to call them, guys. And let's talk about this. So this versus this. Okay. And I'm going to show you how this has gone down. This has gone up. This is the reason for your savings account right now. Okay, so let's talk about that. So I got to thinking, I mean, we as silver stackers and gold stackers preach um, this is your safety net right here, silver and gold. I didn't bring any gold out, but this is your safety net against this. Okay, and so I thought, well, I'm gonna go check out some statistics this year. I'm going to tell you a funny thing about a dollar bill from 1984. Let's start with that. So, a dollar bill, $1 in 1984 was $1. Okay. Today, guys, today, it's equal to $1.48. So, what you could buy in 1984 with $1 now costs you today $1.48. $1. So for a 10 or a 20, multiply that. Okay. And that gives you an idea how inflation has killed the value of our paper money, everybody. And that's why, one of the reasons why we all keep silver. So this year, golly, the first half of this year, the dollar bill has lost 10 to 11% against all major trading partner currencies this year, everybody. The steepest drop of American currency in 50 years. All right. That that is the whole reason why we protect ourselves with gold and silver, precious metals. Um, I'm going to even throw this out there. the possibility of gold backs as a trading currency, as a negotiating instrument. So a lot of that stuff, a lot of things have changed over the years, and golly, it's crazy. So excuse me, golly, these allergies. Every morning I do a film, bam, here we go. But happy Friday, happy coffee. Let's look at silver increases this year. So in 2025, so far, silver, and we've all watched it. We've all watched it. Silver has increased 25 to 30% just this year, okay? 25 to 30% increase. 10 to 11% loss in the valuation of the dollar. 25 to 30% increase in the value of silver. So, what are you going to choose, everybody? I know we all have to have some paper money. We have to diversify. We have to have paper money, silver, gold, precious metals, whatever you might have, real estate. Diversify your portfolio, everybody. It's not just about cash. It's about this too. And it's about everything else, real estate, portfolio, money, golly, diversify what you have. It might be like our classic car. When inflation goes up, everybody starts dumping in to things of value that will go up in value, that are increasing in values, which like our Corvette, it increases the value of our 74 Corvette, guys. So, I diversify. That's part of my diversification, is a classic car that continues to go up in value. If it stabilizes or it starts to drop in value, then guess what? Then we need to either think about selling it or holding it and letting it recycle. So this or this, guys, you make the choice. Silver or this. What is your choice? So let's go back and let's finish up our silver and gold and see what it's changed already. Okay, so we're down to, on silver, 38.76, and gold is still holding over 3,400 at 3405.80. Everybody, and we're at about a 87 to 87.83 gold to silver ratio. I don't know if it's ever going to hit the 80 to 1 or the 70 to 1 again. It may never do it. It might. I don't know. But the good thing is if you do need some money and you do have a pile of silver or gold and you do need fiat cash money, you can go get rid of it and sell it and help yourself out. We've had to do it before for family members. You just never know. So gold backs, $6.82. Follow that gold rate, guys. And Bitcoin, let's refresh this. 109,872.10. So wow. Crazy. So what's it going to do, guys? Are we going to start going back up to 39 when our market opens up? Are we going to hold it for the weekend? When is it going to hit $40 an ounce? What in the world? What decision are you going to make for your savings account? This or this? Put this in the bank, and it doesn't get any better. Put this in your bank, and so far it's gotten 25 to 30% better. So your decision. Happy Friday. Happy 3-day weekend. Happy coffee, everybody. Have a fantastic, safe weekend. Thank you for watching. Texas, California, all you guys all across the United States, Oklahoma, go see Rich at El Reno Coin. I'm sure he's just begging to see you, and even give you advice. So go down and sit down in his chair and say, hey, Rich, what do you think I should do? Should I get into more silver? Should I get into gold? Should I do numismatics? Rich, What do you think? He's a better financial advisor than I am, that's for sure. So everybody have a great weekend. I'm thinking of doing a really kind of a cool video tomorrow. If I don't go see Rich and film Rich tomorrow, I'm going to call him today and see what he thinks. So everybody have a great weekend. Like, subscribe, share, guys. Love you. Thank you all over the continental United States, all over the world for watching SSC here. I'm out.